Hi, welcomes you in my place. Today's question, what is Polkadot? In the world of cryptocurrency, Polkadot is often called the blockchain of blockchains. But what does it mean? And why is Polkadot different from other cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum? Let's break it down. What is Polkadot? Polkadot or DOT is a blockchain platform, but not just one blockchain. Instead, Polkadot connects multiple blockchains together, letting them talk to each other. It's like a superhighway for different blockchains, where they can share data, tokens, and information safely and quickly. Most blockchains today, like Bitcoin or Ethereum, work alone. They are separate islands. Polkadot is building the bridges between those islands, creating a network of connection chain where everything works together. How does it work? Polkadot has three main parts. Relay chain. This is the heart of Polkadot. It connects everything and makes sure all blockchains can talk to each other. Second, parachains. These are individual blockchains that connects to the relay chain. Each parachain can have its own rules, tokens and purpose, but they all stay connected through Polkadot. Third, bridges. Bridges let Polkadot connects with outside blockchains like Ethereum or Bitcoin, even though they were built differently. Think of it like the internet, many websites, apps and services, but all connected through one network. Polkadot is doing that for blockchains. Why is Polkadot important? The crypto world is full of different blockchains, but they don't always work together. Polkadot changed that. It helps different chains share data and assets, creating a decentralized web where information can flow freely and securely. This opens up huge possibilities, faster transactions, cheaper fees, more innovation, because developers can build their own blockchains and still connect to others. Who created Polkadot? Polkadot was created by Dr. Gavin Wood, one of the co-founders of Ethereum. He wanted to build a better blockchain system, one that could scale, connect and evolve over time. Polkadot launched in 2020 and since then it's became one of the top blockchain projects in the world. What is DOT? DOT is Polkadot's cryptocurrency. It's used for staking to help secure the network, governance, voting on upgrades, bonding, connecting new parachains. DOT holders help run the Polkadot network, making it decentralized and community-driven. Final thoughts. Polkadot isn't just another cryptocurrency. It's a network of blockchains working together to build the future of the decentralized web. Faster, smarter, more connected, the world of crypto keeps growing. And with Polkadot, those separate blockchains are starting to come together. Polkadot, the blockchain of blockchains.